koutou. Hi, my name is Matariki.
And what arts do Winton School? I'm Madison. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Ramere the 20th of March.
Okay, Ramere is another big day for touch practices.
Yes, could all the year 1 and 2 teams please meet your coaches at the junior lunch here at 12:45. Thank you.
And Winton Cougars and Winton Warriors both have double games today.
And notice for all players playing in the year 5 to 8 touch champs on Sunday, you have a practice with Mr. Tucker at 12:45 today. Kia ora.
Remember, Slurpas are on sale today. $1 each, limited to 2 per person. Thank you.
And all your wrappers go in the bins placed around the school.
Keep wearing your HI VIZ vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Okay, let's get into Kupu or Tawiki. This week's word is N.E.W.S.
Okay. Oops. That's te reo for lips.
Library news. Thank you to all of the students who entered the library and posters cutting competition.
Your pictures are up and around the school. Congratulations to Holly Etzel, Lani, Brianna and Alex Kincaid.
Please collect your prizes from Madeline in the library at interval.
School council news. Meet Mr. Wadsworth in the group room at 12:45. Thank you.
Kia ora. Okay, one birthday at Winton School today. Cohen Davis turns the big 6. Happy birthday, Cohen.
And in the weekend, Jake Exel turns 10 and Vincent Crawford turns 8. Happy birthday, everyone. And that's all for today.
From everyone at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite te rawiki.
Hi there, Winton School.